Elevate your business with Google data analysis and advertisement experts. Looking to skyrocket your business growth and online presence? Look no further. Our team of seasoned Google data analysts and advertisement experts is here to supercharge your success. What we offer: data-driven insights. Unlock the power of your data with advanced analysis techniques. Targeted advertising. Reach your ideal audience with precision-targeted Google Ads campaigns. Strategic planning. Develop customized strategies tailored to your business goals and objectives. ROI optimization. Maximize your return on investment and drive revenue growth. Why choose us? Google certified, trust in our expertise, backed by Google certified proficiency. Proven results. Our track record speaks for itself. We deliver tangible, measurable results. Client-centric approach. Your success is our priority, and we're dedicated to exceeding your expectations. Seamless execution. Sit back and relax as we handle every aspect of your project with precision and care. Whether you're a startup looking to make a splash or an established enterprise aiming to scale new heights, we've got you covered. Ready to take your business to the next level? Get in touch with us today and let's embark on a journey to success together. Our contacts are in the description area. Are you ready to take your online business to the next level? Look no further than Google Ads. With over 3.5 billion searches per day, Google is the place to be for reaching your target audience. But mastering Google Ads can be a daunting task. That's why we're here to help you navigate the ins and outs of this powerful advertising platform. From keyword research to ad creation, we'll show you how to optimize your campaigns for maximum results. We'll also cover advanced strategies like remarketing and ad extensions to help you stand out from the competition. So whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of online advertising or a seasoned pro looking to take your campaigns to the next level, this comprehensive guide has got you covered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Ads. Let's turn your vision into reality.